Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately inside Vscode. Open your project folder and confirm Python 3. X is available. Next, install the Python extension and the Jupyter extension. These two together enable notebooks. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette and type Jupyter to reveal notebook commands. You do this now because the extension provides the notebook UI and kernel management. Without both extensions, Vscode cannot open IPN files properly. Now create or open a notebook. Use command palette and run Jupyter. Create new blank notebook or double-click any. IPN in Explorer. After the notebook appears, click the kernel selector at the top right and pick your Python interpreter. If you don't see it, run Python. Select interpreter first. Once the kernel starts, each cell has placed /run buttons. Run cells in order to initialize state because kernels track variables and imports across cells. Finish by running your cells and saving the notebook. Use run all to execute every cell in order, then save with Ctrl+S. If you need a script, use export or save as to create a py file. If the kernel won't start, make sure ipykernel is installed in that environment. Pip install ipykernel and reselect the interpreter. If extensions show errors, reload the window. That single troubleshooting step fixes most kernel or environment mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.